The future of transport for me lies solely with electric. It's so much cleaner and it's so much more simple. It's very important that we're taking care of the future. I've had my Model S for 8 months now. Done all my homework, did my research and looking at electric cars. Because of the extended range, the Tesla was the only car that suited my driving style. I wanted to charge it in the morning, do all of my driving, come home at night and plug it in. When I'm using the technology in the car, everything is so in front of you. It's very usable, it's very friendly. I love the fact that it's an extension of me, it's an extension of my phone. I do a lot of miles every year. I've done a couple of really long distance trips. We've done a 500-mile loop from Inverness right round the top of Scotland. Long distance travel with a Tesla is so much more doable than it would be with any other electric car because of Tesla's own network. You don't have any issues about finding a charge point. There's also a new one just opened in Dundee, which is a new 8-bay supercharger. It becomes so much more instantly usable and of use. Scotland is home. I think we need to protect it. So going forward, for me, everything has to go electric.